Barchangizga assalomu alaykum. Sizlar bilan Zoik Boy. Sizlarni yangi videoda ko'rib turganimdan xursandman. Bugun yana bir neobычный kartadamiz. Если что, agar bu videoni o'tkazib yuborgan juda armonda bo'ladi. Sababi biz Minecraft, lekin akalar Shrek multfilmini bilasizlar. O'sha multfilmdagi kartadamiz akalar. Shuning uchun bu kartada sizlar bilan video qilamiz. Videomiz boshlanmasdan oldin albatta like bosib, kanalga obuna bo'lishni unutmanglar. Xo'p. Biz parkda ekanmiz akalar. Biz qaysi birimizda mana shu tarafga qarab borsak park ekan, bu Shrek parki. Bugun Polning mana shu Shrek kartasida o'ynaymiz va nima voqea, nima hodisa bo'lganini addushi ko'rasizlar va balki sizlar ham o'ynash imkoniyatini beraman. Albatta videomizga like, kanalimizga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Biz davom etamiz. Xo'p, biz hozir da ko'ryapsizlarmi? Bizda xarita bergan. Xo'p, Polning aylansak bo'ladi. Nima ekan? Universal balon. Bilmadim nima ekan. Xo'p. Bu soda nima narsa ekan akalar? Bilmadim. Xullas bu ham bir nosga o'xshagan narsa ekan. Mayli. Hammasiga tupurgan holatda. Ender jemshukmikan? Shunga o'xshagan narsa ekan. Hammasiga tupurgan holatda davom etamiz. Xo'p, biz qayerdamiz hozir? Bilmadim. Davom etish kerak shunchaki. Xo'p, bu tarafga qarab yuramiz. Xo'p, bu yerda nima narsalar bor? Opa bor ekan. Opa nima narsa ekan bu? Nima time travel car. Bilan buni qanday ishlatadi opa? Buni men chot kiyib oldim akalar. Menga yarashdi shekilli bu. Sumkani taqamiz. Normalni. Bu nima ekan? Kerak emas, xo'p, o'yinchoq. Bizning orqamizda sumka bor endi va biz davom etamiz. Shop bor ekan. Mana bu tarafda dedimmi, bilmadim. Bu yoqqa o'tish nima qilish kerak o'zi? Qonunga tupurganman desam, lekin tupurib bo'lmasgan qonunga akalar. Sababi boshqa tarafga qarab yuramiz. Ammo bu tarafga qarab yuraylik. Qochib turaylik. Ezorar ekansiz. Ana yerda nimadir ko'ryapman. Meni bo'lmayapti, lekin hali mashina avariya bo'lgan ekan. Mana bu yer nima narsa ekan? Qo'yib bo'lmayapti mashina. Xo'p, bular nima ekan? Xo'p, bu akachi. Mashina avariya. Xo'p, davom etamiz akalar bu tarafga. Xo'p, mana yo'l ko'rsatib qo'yibdi ekan. Qayergadir olib boradi bu. To'g'risi, televizorlar mana bu karta juda qiziqarli. Uni aylanib chiqaman degan bekorchi tanish odam kerak. 7 kecha 7 kunduz o'ynasalaring bo'ladi. Oxiriga borib bo'lmaydi buni.
Now, before I send you on your journey through time,
qayergadir meni qamab qo'yishdi bular. Mashina bor
to show you. Here, at the Institute for Future Technology.
Now, please stand by for an important message from the Institute's Chief Inventive Officer, Dr. Emmett Brown.
Nimadir deyapti akalar? Nima deyapti? Pisk set deydi. Nima degan ekan bu?
Get in. Watch your step. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get ready. Don't worry about a thing. You're in good hands. Oops. I still haven't worked all the bugs out of this thing. But no matter. We're on a mission of universal proportions.
Doc, Biff has passed through the space-time continuum, but we've got no way of
Nimadir
knowing where he
bo'lyapti.
is.
You mean when he is?
Bo'ldi, mashinani haydash kerak. Ochaylik, tog'alar.
Ochaylar, which will allow us to track Biff to his precise location at the precise moment in whatever time period he may have traveled to.
Doc, all pre-launch
Hop,
system checks are
reklama.
complete.
That's our cue.
Hozir reklamadan keyin biz nimadir bo'lishimiz mumkin. Ochinglar eshikni.
Don't forget, when you see Biff in the time vehicle, accelerate to 80 miles per hour and bump it. Accelerate now to 55 miles per hour.
Nimadir bo'ldi.
75, 88,
Yo.
Hill Valley in the year 2015. And there's Biff. Let's get him.
Afg'on.
Dr. Brown.
Okay, time travelers. Now's our chance.
Oh, yeah, that's
Ooh.
what you think.
Mana shu brat izdan
Gotta
bosh
get the
kerak.
gas, Doc. Ha-ha. Come up here, Doc. Going down.
Down,
Going up.
down, down,
Down.
up, up, down.
Going up. Oh.
We've got it now. Okay, let's.
Stop.
Great. Stop.
It's my new house. You like it?
Up. Turn left. Look out.
Burul beqa.
I can fly circles around you, butthead.
Yaxshi ketyapmiz hozircha.
Ha-ha.
Hozircha zo'r ketyapmiz.
Traffic, Doc.
We got him.
Come on, Doc.
Up in.
Bump me.
Faster.
Qayergadir olib boryapti bizni.
Biff got away.
Nimadir bo'ldi.
Looks like we're headed a million
Oddiy
years
olamdamiz
back in
akalar.
time. And that's Hill Valley below us in the Ice Age.
Back again?
Yo'q.
Pull up. Pull
Quladik.
up. Oh.
Kaboom!
Qulyapmiz akalar.
Watch out for snow!
Give it up, Titan, before this crevasse starts. All mine.
Yo'q.
Oh, oh,
Neverland.
oh, is it scaring you? Huh?
Oh.
See you later. Take care.
Blast! The engine's dead. Oh. Everybody lean back. No, lean right. Wait. Oh no. Hold on.
Mana bu akani ham jag'i tinmadi. Qayta aytdi.
Yahoo! We're going backwards. Hang in there, volunteers.
Beep, beep.
Head toward that volcano.
Lava.
Butthead. Hey, you guys don't know when to give up, do you?
Prepare yourselves, people. I
Davom
suspect
etamiz.
it's the primeval hill valley that we're about to enter could be a pretty rough
Teparoq. Pastroq.
Hello?
Boryapmiz.
Anybody home?
Qayerga keldik?
Hello?
It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look out!
Dinozavrni.
Wait, Gramps, come on. Come on, Gramps, right this way. Now sick 'em.
T-Rex.
Great Scott, look out!
Calm down, big fella. Calm
Do'stlar,
down.
juda qiziqarli karta ekan.
Easy, boy. Hey,
Davom
hey,
etyapmiz
hey,
hozircha.
hey.
Ay.
I know, Biff. What in blazes? What's those jaws? Ah! Look out!
Voy, yutib yubordimi dinozavr
Let's
biz aka?
follow! Hang on!
Ay. Lava, давай.
Doc, what's your fastest out, Doc? Help me. Doc, hey, please, Doc, help me. Hey, please, I'm in
Qaralar, juda ideal ishlagan ekan haqiqatdan.
the lava pool, Doc, help me.
Hang on, Biff!
Bump me,
Hold
Doc,
on!
bump me.
Accelerate to 8
Please,
miles
Doc.
per hour! Bump him!
Ah!
We bumped him! The impact between the two vehicles should send us straight back to the Institute!
Yetib keldik.
Thanks, Doc Brown.
Akalar,
You saved my life.
bilaman sizlar qiziqyapsizlar o'ynashga. Shuning uchun buni davomini sizlar o'ynashinglar mumkin. Albatta videoga like, kanaliga obuna bo'lishinglar kerak buning uchun. Hammaga xayr, keyingi videogacha ko'rishguncha.